Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mini Cooper convertible top. First, gather all your essential tools, including various screwdrivers, wrenches, and a trim removal kit. Next, make sure you have the correct replacement convertible top for your specific Mini Cooper model. Finally, prepare a clean, well-lit area with ample space to work comfortably and safely. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the old convertible top. Start by detaching all interior trim pieces that secure the top's frame. Be gentle to avoid damaging clips or plastic. Then, disconnect any electrical connections, such as those for the rear window defroster or various sensors. Finally, unbolt the entire convertible top frame from the Mini Cooper's body, ensuring all fasteners are accounted for. This step requires patience and attention to detail. With the old top removed, it's time to install your new convertible top. Carefully position the new frame onto the vehicle's mounting points, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Securely bolt the new frame into place, tightening all fasteners to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect all electrical components, such as the rear window defroster, and meticulously reattach all interior trim panels. Double-check all connections for proper function. To complete the process, perform several final checks. Operate the new convertible top multiple times to ensure smooth, unobstructed movement and proper latching. Thoroughly inspect all seals and weather stripping to confirm a watertight fit, preventing any leaks. This ensures your Mini Cooper is ready for all weather conditions. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Enjoy your refreshed Mini Cooper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.